Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to redeem a paysafe card in Nigeria. Now, I know that some of you may be wondering why this is even a question. But, believe it or not, there are a lot of people who don't know how to do this. And, if you're one of those people, then you're in the right place. But before we get into the steps on how to redeem a paysafe card in Nigeria, let's first talk about what a paysafe card is. Paysafe is a prepaid card that you can use to make online purchases. It's a great way to keep your financial information safe and secure, and it's also a great way to budget your spending. Now that we know what a paysafe card is, let's get into the steps on how to redeem it in Nigeria. Step 1. Purchase a paysafe card. You can purchase a paysafe card from a number of different retailers in Nigeria. Once you have purchased a card, you will need to activate it. You can do this by going to the paysafe website and entering the card number and PIN. Step 2. Find a merchant that accepts paysafe. There are a number of merchants in Nigeria that accept paysafe. You can find a list of merchants here. Invalid URL removed. Step 3. Make a purchase. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply select paysafe as your payment method. You will then be prompted to enter the card number and PIN. Step 4. Enjoy your purchase. That's it. You've successfully redeemed your paysafe card in Nigeria. Here are some additional tips for redeeming a paysafe card in Nigeria. Make sure that you have the card number and PIN handy. Be sure to check the merchant's website to make sure that they accept paysafe before you make a purchase. If you have any problems redeeming your paysafe card, you can contact paysafe customer service. Redeeming a paysafe card in Nigeria is easy and safe. If you're looking for a secure way to make online purchases, then paysafe is a great option. I hope this video has helped you learn how to redeem a paysafe card in Nigeria. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching.